Welcome to the West Coast. We are here in the West Coast again on another nice little trip, and I'm here with Henry in his cruiser, and then we've got some bunch of other guys with us all traveling along. We're starting here, heading through somewhere to the Hopefield, I think, sleeping there the night, and then finishing off over there. So I forgot to add, I did strap my pop-up tent to the roof of the car, and it worked very well. I slept very comfortably.
Got big problems. Simon just slid onto the edge of this big dune, so we're gonna see how we're gonna be able to recover him. Simon! Come on. Roll boat.
Okay, go for it, gun it.
Go, 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 go!
No, that doesn't look like much on film, but trust me, it's quite scary there.
So a quick update, we are all standing here outside Water Pub and Grill. We're just going to have something to eat quickly, some breakfast or lunch already by now. We did some 4x4ing, we had some fun, got a bit stuck. But hey, it's all part of the fun, and we got everyone out. Everyone had a good time. So Adrian's from Overlanding, he's going to be filming us going through, so I'm going to drive his car through the mud. Henry, how's the mud smell?
It stinks, eh?
I don't think that was mud, that was definitely not mud.
I have in mind, but like I'm not sure where it is. Like I said, I've only been here once, so for us to go in, it's in the trees somewhere.
Can't take him anywhere, can you?
There's one here, he just wants a roof rack so he can climb on stuff.
There's one right here.
I've been there, done that.
Okay, so I'm currently on Rome Overlanding route, and now I'm going to go across to... Ja, mooi maar! Cool, let's go for a ride.
Rome over into the
Go, come on, work in. We found a camping spot for the night. We are just trying to park. We had this little branch that caught our roof rack, so we just had to repark ourselves. But yeah, this is where we're going to be camping tonight, out in the middle of a Wildsplaas in the middle of nowhere.
How's it?
Hello. Cool. Thank you for leaving me.
Sorry.
And so our weekend comes to an end. I'll say thank you to Henry and Zombie Off-Road for taking us on this awesome trip. It was an awesome weekend, met some awesome people, saw some awesome places, and yeah, there'll be plenty more to come. Cheers.